Mistress is worried. It has been a month, yet our returns are minimal.
I can't help it if the kids are low grade.
We must find better. We must work harder.
Your missus should come down. We could stick her on a sandwich board. She could hand out some flyers.
Do not mock my mistress.
That was a joke, okay?
We serve at her pleasure, Mr. Grantham.
Yeah, no, sure.
Neither of us is irreplaceable. Not I, and certainly not you.
Ta-da! Ah, right. This is where Brandon got caught in the rain. Come on, let's get her going.
Okay.
Right, now, turn the dial. On the left. 6.02 for the electromagnetic pulse shakes. I just got to calibrate the net. Right switch to 15 and the middle to 2.6. Now then. Right. Fire up. Wow! Again. Nothing. Once more. Oh, this doesn't make any sense. There should be some sort of reaction.
What's happening?
It works! My machine works!
Particles identified as entanglement shells.
Okay, and do you want to tell us what an entanglement shell is? Exactly?
Used by climate engineers to terraform hostile planet environments. In order to support life, they stimulate rainfall.
Ealing doesn't need terraforming. We get too much rain as it is.
If I might continue.
Please.
Entanglement shells can also be a byproduct of some form of transdimensional energy dispersal.
By what?
Teleportation. Aliens. I knew it.
Lance was kidnapped by aliens.
Oh, they've been kidnapping people from Earth for decades, one reason or another. Question is, why Lance? And from where? Mr. Smith, can you pinpoint the exact centre of the storm on Saturday?
Weather geostationary satellites record every hour and are unlikely to have registered such a brief meteorological anomaly. I will access a military satellite.
You shoot out people's senses. If you get hit, your gun goes down for 5 seconds and you lose a life. You get 100 lives. The person at the end with the most lives left wins. Last man standing kind of thing. But I still don't get the point. You just wait till the adrenaline starts pumping. You'll see.
Attention! Warriors of the future! Take your places at the arena doors! Prepare to do battle! Show no mercy! Take no prisoners! This is a fight for survival! Only one can be the ultimate warrior! Battle commences in 10 seconds!
Well, Grantham, have you brought me good stock?
Oh, I won't get your hopes up just yet.
4, 3, 2,
Take no prisoners!
This is animated data from a NATO satellite covering Western Europe, taken on Saturday at 16:04 hours.
Run it again and slow it down. People never really vanish without a trace. There's always a footprint, a tire track, something. You've just got to know where to look. Stop! Show me what's right there at the heart of it.
I know that place. We were there earlier, me and Luke.